thanks for being with us here at Freedom Forest Life. Yesterday I collected over 1 kg of blackcurrants from our young food forest. So today I'm here at home in the kitchen and I'm going to make up some super easy blackcurrant cordial. Last year we couldn't get enough of this delicious vitamin C packed juice, plus I add a couple of little healthy extras as well. I'm making up 2 batches today, one using regular cane sugar and one using coconut sugar. Coconut sugar is a slightly healthier alternative to sugar. It's only very lightly processed, it's a little more nutritious, it doesn't cause as much blood sugar level spike, and it's also a reasonably priced alternative to sugar even when organic. Whilst the first batch of juice is straining through the sieve, I'll make up the second batch. This is what you'll need to make some delicious blackcurrant cordial for yourself. 600 grams of juicy fresh blackcurrants, 500 millilitres of water, ideally filtered, 350 grams of sugar or coconut sugar or alternative sweetener of your choice, the juice and zest of 1 unwaxed lemon, and a few sprigs of thyme. You'll need a big heavy base pan, a sieve, some cloth for straining, and some sterilised bottles for storage. found this blackcurrant cordial was amazing, adding a dash to our homemade cider. So I'm going to freeze some too and save it for cider season. We hope that you enjoyed this video today and that you get to enjoy some beautiful homemade cordial yourself this season too. Don't forget to like, subscribe or leave us a comment below, and we'll catch you here again soon. Peace and plants!